question looks so easy, but everyone gets it wrong. Question 13, solve for the problem the square root of 50 plus the square root of 8. Now, all of our answer choices are all in the form of one square root, so we know we have to combine something here. Now, 50 plus 8 is equal to 58, so the first thing we can do is eliminate answer choice A because we can't add them like normal numbers. Now, the second thing we want to do is break these down. So we can rewrite the square root of 50 as the square root of 25 times 2. And with square roots, we can actually separate them. So the square root of 25 times 2, we can rewrite that as the square root of 25 times the square root of 2. Now, the square root of a number just means what number multiplied by itself is going to equal the number inside. So what number multiplied by itself is going to give us 25, and that's going to be 5. There's no square root for 2, so we just write that right next to it. Now, for the square root of 8, we can actually break that down too into the square root of 4 times 2, or the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Now, the square root of 4 is just going to be 2, because 2 times 2 is 4, and we can't do anything with the square root of 2, so that's going to be 2. And now we just have to add together 5 times the square root of 2 and 2 times the square root of 2. Now, 5 plus 2 is 7, so we get 7 times the square root of 2, but that's not any of the answer choices. So we have to turn 7 back into a square root. Now, the square root of a number is just what number multiplied by itself is going to be that square root. So to get 7 back into square root form, we just have to multiply 7 by itself. So 7 times 7 is going to be 49. So 7 times the square root of 2 is actually the same thing as the square root of 49 times 2, or the square root of 98. And that's going to be answer choice